Hi students, this is Vasudev Panda. Welcome to Master of English. So, पिलामाने आम समस्ते पढ़ी सारी 3टा यूनिट को चैप्टर द डॉक्टर्स वर्ड कंपलसरी इंग्लिश फॉर आर्ट्स साइंस एंड कॉमर्स सीएचएससी ओडिशा +2 सेकेंड ईयर नहीं कि तो 3टा यूनिट आम एतिक पर्यटन जाइए डॉक्टर आई ट्रीटमेंट कर फ्रेंड गोपाल जे कि बेड रे पड़ी तार देह खराब अच्छी आउ से इंजेक्शन देइचंती ऑपरेशन करचंती ऑपरेशन करबा जाइचंती आ जते स्त्री की कही दी जे मते गोटा ऑपरेशन करबा पड़ो से नर्वस है पड़ जाइए अनकॉन्शियस है नर्स अटेंड करिछि तापर देखिबा वर्तमान कोन होछि सो लेट अस स्टार्ट द चैप्टर आईवी ओके So what happens at about 8 in the evening the patient opened his eyes at about 8 in the evening संध्या 8टा समय the patient opened his eyes finally Gopal आखि खोलिछि opened his eyes and stirred slightly stirred कहले कोन पिले मूव करबा stirred slightly टिके मूव कला से टिके तार मूवमेंट देखा वाला his eyes and opened his eyes and stirred slightly in bed. The assistant was overjoyed. Who was overjoyed? The assistant was overjoyed. तांकर जो सहयोगी थिला डाक्तरंकर सहयोगी से पूरा आनंदर विभोर हो गला खुशी हो गला he exclaimed enthusiastically with interest आग्रहर सहित enthusiastically आग्रहर सहित से आश्चर्य हो गला he was exclaimed sir you will pull through आरोग्य हवा pull through कहले आरोग्य हवा pull through आरोग्य what did he say sir you will pull through डाक्टर को से कहले सर ये रोगीटा भलो हो जीवो pull through. The doctor looked at him coldly and whispered. शांतिर सहित डॉक्टर ताकू टिके चाहिले आ कहले whispered धीरे धीरे कहले पथुर करी कहले I would give anything to see him through but the heart. अरे मु सबु करबा पय रेडी अछि ताकू ठीक करबा पय सबु करबा पय रेडी अछि I'll do anything to him pull through but किंतु तार हृदय हार्ट रो फंक्शन ता ठीक नहीं the pulse has improved sir the assistant said the pulse has improved sir the pulse has improved ता नाड़ी पल्स कहले कोन नाड़ी ता नाड़ी ता भलो अछि सर पल्स भलो अछि well replied the okay ठीक अछि well replied the doctor don't trust it याको विश्वास करा जाय न पारे don't trust it is only a false flash of कहले कोन मिछ लक्षण false flash of मिछ लक्षण false flash of এটা মিছ লক্ষণ this symptom cannot be believed বুঝিলা false flash of okay and very common in these cases এভলিয়া কেস রেটা সাধারণ কথা very common in these cases he ruminated what do you mean by ruminated means चिंता करिबा ruminated कहले चिंता करिबा he ruminated okay ruminated for a while and added किछि समय चिंता कले एवं कहले if the pulse will keep up till 8 in the morning जदि आसंता काली सकाळ पर्यंत ए नाडीटा ए भावरे रहे if it will continue till 8 in the morning then what will happen it will go on the next 40 years it will go on for the next 40 years आसंता 40 वर्ष पर्यंत मो ग्यारंटी सहित कहिबे पेशेंट किछि होबो नै बंचिबो okay but I doubt very much किंतु मते बहुत संदेह लागुछि but I doubt very much if we shall see anything of it at all after tonight बोले आज राती जदि किसी भी जना पड़िबो कोन फाइनल डिसीजन निया जाय परिबो केतेबेले पिले आज राती 2टा 2टा पर्यंत जदि एभली रहे जार कंडीशन स्थिर रहे इफ द कंडीशन प्रिवेल till 2 o'clock the night prevailing then I can say anything मु किसी करि पारे किसी कहि पारे he sent away the assistant and sat beside the patient sent away पठै देले and sat beside the patient assistant को पठै देले एवं पेशेंट रो पार्श्व रे से बसिके रहिले किए द डॉक्टर At about 11, Rati 11 hala. At about 11, the patient opened his eyes. What happened? The patient opened his eyes. Rogiti tarakhi khulila. Patient opened his eyes and smiled at his friends. Ta bondhu ko dekhi tike hasi dela. Smile kar dela. Smiled at his friends. He showed a slight improvement. Tike se improve karutila kiye the patient. Improvement. He was able to take in a little food and he was able to take in a little food. किसी खाद्य भी से खाइला little food टिके खाद्य खाइला से. A great feeling of relief and joy went through the household. A great feeling of relief and joy. आनंद एवं अवसाद दूरे गला भलिया घरे गोटे आनंद वातावरण अवसाद दूरे जीवार वातावरण देखागला समस्त टिके खुशी हो गले 1.5 मास धरी जो लोक रोग रे पड़ी थाए से जते बेले टिके कथा हुए किछि खाद्य खाए समस्तनकर मन रे धारणा हुए जे से भलो हो गला समस्त खुशी जामते through the household they swarmed around the doctor and poured out their gratitude कहले कृतज्ञता swarmed around डॉक्टर को घेरी गले swarmed around कहले घेरी जीवा swarmed around बेढ़ी गले काकू डाक्तर को घर लोक समस्त बेढ़ी गले एंड poured out their gratitude अब से समस्त कृतज्ञता ज्ञापन करते सार आपण आसिले बोली कि हम रोगी बंचिला न मरी जाई थांता ए भलिया कृतज्ञता ज्ञापन करते से माने Okay, gratitude. He sat in his seat beside the bed, gazing sternly at the patient's face. But the doctor has no reaction. किंतु डॉक्टरंकर किछि भी reaction प्रतिक्रिया किछि भी नथिला. He sat beside the bed. से bed ର side रे बसथिले. And gazed sternly. Gazed means to watch sternly, constantly. Sternly means constantly. Sternly. Constantly at the patient constantly ताको देखुतिले काको patient को देखुतिले के doctor at the patient's face hardly showing any sign of hearing what they were saying to him hardly showing से बिल्कुल देखो ही नथिले किसी रिएक्शन कर नथिले से जेमिति किसी सुनी पर नथिले से माने जहा कहउथिले ताको न सुनेला भलिया से एक्टिंग करूथिले he was listening but he has no reaction. Oh, the sick man's wife asked, and by the way, घटनाक्रमे the sick man's wife asked, से दुर्बल लोक रोगी गोपाल स्त्री तांको पचारिला कौन पचारिला is he now out of danger वर्तमान से विपद मुक्त कि विपद रो बाहरी गलेनी कि वर्तमान तांको जीवन प्रति किछि विपद नाही तो is he now out of danger without turning his head the doctor said डॉक्टर तापड़ को देखी भी नहांती निजर मुंडो को न उठे की ताड़े न देखी की डॉक्टर कहले गिव ग्लूकोज एंड ब्रांडी एवरी 40 मिनट्स प्रत्येक 40 मिनट रे ताको ग्लूकोज पीवा पे दियो एवं ब्रांडी पीवा पे दियो ब्रांडी a kind of liquor that is used to treat severe patients that means to keep the body warm. Okay, spoons will do, a couple of spoons will do. अब कौन कहले बेसी नहीं दुई चामच तब 2 चामच ग्लूकोज और 2 चामच ब्रांडी ताको दियो 40 मिनट रे. Give glucose and brandy every 40 minutes. Just a couple of spoon will do. The lady went away to the kitchen. Say wife Gopal wife kitchen को चली गला. And she felt restless. ताको बहुत ये लागुतला माने से अपेक्षा करि पारु नथला मो एते अपेक्षा करि परिबा नै मो जानिबा को चाहे एक्चुअली कोन होतले तो से बळे फीलिंग दैट इज द restless she felt she must know the truth whatever it was and se bhabutila she must know the truth because she is the wife of the sick man and whatever it was whether he will die or live doesn't matter but she must know the truth se janiba darkar. Why was the great man so evasive? What do you mean by evasive? Evasive means, honest. Or avoiding straight answer. कहीं से माने सीधा सीधा कहूनाहांती straight answer कहूनाहांती कहीं एते बुलेई बंकेई की कथा कहउचंती से कहला. The suspense was unbearable. से suspense जो चलीथिला से scene टा कोन हबो तांकर कोन हबो, it was unbearable. असह्य थिला सेटा. Unbearable. Suspense was unbearable. Perhaps he could not speak so near the patient's bed. तापरे लेडी भाविची. Perhaps the doctor has hesitated to speak so near the patient bed. बोधे डाक्टर रोगी सामने कहवा डरुचंती. तो से कौन करिची? She beckoned to him from the kitchen doorway. Beckoned पिले beckoned कहले कौन? Beckoned, signal, इशारा करिबा, इशारा करिबा, बुझेला? Signal लवा, इशारा करिबा. Yeah, just come like that. Oh, the lady, yes. So, okay, the doctor rose and went over. Doctor उठिले and went over. तापाखु गले, went over. She asked, से पचारिला. She asked, what did she ask? What about him now? How is he? तांकर अवस्था केमती अछि? कोन हबो? Please मते कुहंतु. Okay, the doctor beat his lips and replied. The doctor beat his lips and replied, looking at the floor. Doctor कौन कले? I beat his lips, look at the floor and replied. तापरे उत्तर देले. Don't get excited. एते खुशी हो नहीं. Don't get excited. एते खुशी हो नहीं. Unless you must know about it, don't ask now. If you are interested to know all the facts now, don't ask now. जदि सत्य जानिबा को दरकार, जानिबा को चाहूचो, अपेक्षा करो. Don't ask now. Her eyes opened wide in terror. The lady, after listening the answer of the doctor को कथा सुनला परे, her eyes opened wide in terror. डररे आँखि विस्फारित भइगला. Opened in terror. She clasped her hands together and implored. She clasped her hands together. Clasped बोले हाथ जोड़ीबा. Clasped her hand together and implored. Implored means requested. Implored. Implored means requested. Requested whom? Requested to the doctor. Requested to the doctor. Doctor को request कला कहला. कौन कहला? Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Please tell me the truth. मथे सत्य कथाटा कहंतु. Tell me the truth. The doctor replied, I would rather not talk to you. Bloody hell. I would rather not talk to you. Doctor मुतो से तो कथा हेबा पई चाहुनी. I don't want to talk with you. He turned round and went back to his chair. Turned round, बुली पड़िले एवं तांगर chair पाखु गले. Went back to his chair. A terrible wailing shot through the still house. Still कहले साइले. A terrible wailing. Terrible कहले भयंकर. Wailing बोले कांदिबा शब्द. Wailing. कांदिबा शब्द. कांदिबा. Terrible wailing. माने भयंकर भावरे कांदिगला. मां. ए भलिया किछि. Okay, he turned round and went back to his chair. A terrible wailing shot through the still house. The patient stayed and looked about in wonderment. The patient stayed. Se kandi bata se patient suni parila. Tika halchal hela and looked about in bewilderment. Bewilderment ko lekon arpile confusion. Bewilderment, confusion. संदेह दृष्टि पेशेंट देखिला भाविला bewilderment संदेह कला. The doctor got up again. Doctor पुणी थरे उठी पड़िले. Got up again. Went over to the kitchen door. से रोषेई घर कबाट पाखु गले. Drew it in securely. आउ कबाट को बंद कर देले, क्लोज कर देले and shut up the well. WAIL कांदिवा. Shut up the well. और तार द्वारा कहला तार कांदना बंद हो गला. That's all. Unit 4 completed. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video. Keep watching, keep subscribing. Bye bye.